Tanisha, Plentiful Hair Studio, and I wanted to say something. There is a rule in hair extensions that includes weaving, microlinks, fusion, and this rule also applies to hair toppers. If you are wearing hair extensions or toppers, you cannot put a lot of hair on a small amount of hair. That's the one rule in hair extensions that everybody should know. So you cannot put a lot of hair on a small amount of hair. You can, most times, of course, you can double your density and you can go very, very long, but you cannot put too much hair on because the weight is going to pull your hair out. That's one. Two, with a large topper, that large topper may be too heavy for your bio hair, and it's going to cause some breakage. It could cause traction alopecia. It can cause many things, and you don't want to exasperate hair loss. You know, most people don't, unless you don't mind it all coming out. But most of the time, people do mind. So you cannot put too much hair. Weight distribution and putting too much hair on, wearing too much hair too long is the main reason why people are experiencing hair loss. With sew-ins, at about 3 months, that is when your hair will begin to dreadlock. So if you have a sew-in or braids in about 3 months, that's when it'll start to dreadlock. But that doesn't mean you have to go that long. And the finer the hair, the shorter amount of the time you can have these types of styles in. The thinner, the finer, you know, and I'm not, in certain instances, thin and fine hair shouldn't have a lot of these services to begin with. But when you know your hair is a little bit on the finer, thin side, then you need to be coming up out of these styles early enough. So take that into consideration. You have any questions? www.plentifulhairstudio.com. Thank you.